Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic thing, that is how to solve the math solutions of the questions. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new updates. So guys, just you have to take the pictures of that your questions, then you can take the solution step by step, and by this app you can get the solution of any questions. So guys, you have to take the picture and then easily you can do. Only you have to install the application and then you have to take the picture, then you can do easily. So you are seeing on the screen this app. I will give the link in the description by which you can download this app, photomath. Okay, you can see here is a question I wrote. Okay, I will scan this. I will click on the screen, red button. So solution is coming. Click on the show solution steps, then explain, then next step. It will say the trial for 7 days. Cancel this. Next step. Next step. It will give you in the steps. Next step. Next. Next. It has been finished. So it have been come in the many steps, so you can solve the question easily. So guys, and one more thing is that you can use the calculator easily, scientific calculator. In this you can solve the problem of mathematics. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.